Whenever I paint, I feel like I am in the lap of God. The ghost, I see aliens in my dreams, and another UFO wanted to kill me, which is having some kind of microscopic and macroscopic both kind of things. Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan. I am Jashan and today I am starting a new series which is Heart to Heart with Jashan. I am going to tell you who I am, why I paint and what kind of paintings I love to paint and what are the thoughts behind all my paintings. So I am going to share everything with you, so let's start with this video. I am Jashanpreet Kaur and I live in a village, Aulak, in Punjab, India. And guys, painting is my love from my childhood. I never learned painting, it's completely God's gift to me. And whenever I paint, I feel like I am in the lap of God and He is really near to me. And it feels like I have no past, no future, nothing is there. I am completely in the moment and this feels like really peaceful thing. And this is the peace that we humans strive for and we are running towards. So I get this peace by painting, so this is complete blessing for me. Even though painting is God's gift to me, but I have even practiced a lot. I am painting from around 11 to 12 years from now. And initially when I started painting, I used to observe another artists and I really love to read about some painters of old times. I have read about Michelangelo, I have read about Van Gogh, I have read about Sobha Singh, about Leonardo da Vinci and a lot of more painters. And the things that they saw in their lifetime and the things that I observed through their life, through their perspective and through their paintings really helped me to find out my style and my perspective in painting. And then I started observing their paintings. I observed each and every painting and each and every detail to know how I am going to paint if I am supposed to paint those paintings. And in this way, I learned how to paint because I saw the brush strokes in their paintings and I immediately came to know that now I have to apply this brush stroke in this way, and that worked. So I am only telling you that to learn painting, we don't need to learn how to draw a circle, how to paint a line, how to paint the things. We need to train our mindset. We need to tell our mind that why we want to paint. What is our perspective? What are the thoughts behind our painting? Because a painting must have a thought process behind it. It must have a valid thought process. It is not mere lines or figures. So we need to train our mind before starting painting, not just our hands to draw precise lines and everything. In this video, I am going to show you two of my paintings and I am going to tell you what were my thought processes behind those paintings when I painted those. I think I have painted both of those about 2 years ago, and I'm going to tell you what was my thought process in those paintings. And one of these paintings is my dream. Let me tell you that my dreams are always horror. I see ghosts, I see aliens in my dreams. My dreams are always magical or kind of horror. So I have painted one of my dreams, and this belongs to alien dreams, and I'm planning to paint more of my dreams, but I'm not getting time. But soon you will see more of my dreams through my paintings, and this is really amazing to paint your dreams. And I have a habit, whenever I see a dream, I write it down in my diary. Let me show you my diary. I write all my dreams in this diary, and also whenever I get a painting idea, I write it down in this diary. So I'm going to read what I have written in this diary about that dream and about the other painting. So let us start with this thing. Okay, the first one painting is this painting. Let me show you this painting. This painting is my dream, and I am a really short-heighted girl, and when I go out of my room like this, then this is the view that I see. And about this dream, let me tell you the things that I remember. In this dream, one UFO was taking my test. They wanted that if I'm able to help them, I think, and another UFO wanted to kill me. So they were just shooting fireballs on me, and they wanted to kill me, and then I was just running, I think. So this was the dream, and now let me read what was that dream from this diary. And one more thing, let me tell you, the name of this painting is Strange Talk, because this is really strange dream, and I was talking to the aliens in this painting. So this is Strange Talk. Okay, let me read from my diary. Okay, so I'm going to start reading about this dream. So I have written as I have written it under a title Strange Talk, that I have told you is the name of my painting. And I have written that one night I woke up and started walking out of my room, and suddenly a light caught me. I started behaving like hypnotized. They want to take my test. This was a language test. This language was of some another planet. Their motive is to check whether I am able to help them or not. They started giving me words. The first word was alien, and I wrote it as Ellen. Oh, let me show you in the painting also. Okay, here I am writing those words. I have written Ellen here, and I wrote the second word mango as MNG here, and the third word was people. I wrote as PPL. Then next word was orange, which I have written as RNG, and after this they said write your name, and I wrote it as JSHN. I was just writing, and suddenly one more UFO came and started shooting fireballs on me. I came into my consciousness and I started running. This was that UFO, I guess. The motive of second UFO was to kill me so that I could not be able to help the strangers in the first UFO. Suddenly everything paused and I heard a voice, Jashan, wake up, Jashan, wake up. I just came into my consciousness because it's my mom. Oh. I was still sleeping. Yes, it was my dream, but I loved how my brain collected the information and produced such a horrible but amazing dream. I love to paint this scene, and I have painted this scene, and now I'm showing this to you guys. I hope you like this painting. If you do, then do let me know in the comment section. You can appreciate me, guys. The second painting that I'm going to show you is under the title Prevention, and this is the painting that I have painted during COVID times, and this is the painting which stood on 11th rank all over India, and I was able to make in top 20 artists throughout the country through this painting, and I'm really proud of this artwork. Let me show you this painting. Okay, this is the painting. Let me tell you my thought process behind this painting first. I have painted a mask which was necessary during the COVID times, then sanitized hands, shadow of death on the planet Earth, and then some kind of blood cells, and a girl in isolation, which was necessary because there was complete lockdown during COVID times. And I wanted to show that reality through my painting in a style which is surrealism, and I really wanted to paint it in a way which is not realistic, which is having some kind of microscopic and macroscopic both kind of things. And I have also painted an eye here which is representing that if we think that this eye is any scientist's eye, and then I have shown here red blood cells, white blood cells, COVID cells, and a lot of things that are on microscopic scale, and this is an eye which is just above the microscope. And if we see this eye as God's eye, then He's watching everything. He's giving us what we deserve. He is giving us what we need to take, because we have ruined the planet Earth. We have done a lot of things to it. So this was, I think, the thought behind this painting. And so many people questioned me why I painted nude girl here, because I really love nude paintings. This is not about nudity or not about some kind of sexual things. It is just about perspective, nothing that kind of thing in it. So let me read about this painting from my diary. I have written that in this painting I have represented sanitized hands, which may be very helpful for us to prevent COVID-19. I have represented flowers. Oh, let me show you that flowers. There are two kinds of flowers. Some are covered, some are uncovered. Covered ones are safe and uncovered are dying. So the flowers which are covered are safe, but uncovered flowers are dying. Same is with humans. So we have to stay in isolation. I have represented the mask on the top because the whole world is dying and Earth is in danger. So it is the basic necessity. And everyone have to wear it. I have also represented coronavirus right here, and red blood cells, white blood cells and other cells which are fighting it on microscopic level, and this eye is representing this microscopic level, and the eye is also representing God for His grace, and also it is representing scientists which are really finding the cure. So this is the thing that I have written about this painting. I hope you like this painting, because this painting is really very close to my heart, and I am really feeling very lucky to paint this kind of artworks. And I have a huge collection of paintings, and I am really having a good quality content for this series, because I am having a lot of paintings which I can share with you. And guys, let me tell you one thing, that today I just told you what I wanted to, but in next video you can ask me questions. You can tell me in comments what kind of questions related to art you are having in your mind, and if you want to know how to learn painting, how to find your perspective, your own style, then you are free to ask any kind of question to me through comments, and I will really love to answer all those questions. I am feeling really lucky and blessed to open up my heart with you all guys, and I'll be happy to continue this series with all you guys. And I hope you like this video. If you like, then press the like button, and which painting you loved out of these two, you can tell me in comment section. And guys, you can ask your questions in comment section also about perspectives in painting and arts. And I'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. And if you are not my subscriber, then press the subscribe button to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye, take care, you're amazing.